Certainly all of this is leading to late nights and muddy roads. Agriculture agent Erica Bierstrom is here from the University of Wisconsin-Madison Division of Extension with a few safety tips. Thank you for joining us. Well, let's start with our producers who are going to be out there, no doubt working late, long hours. How can they make sure that their equipment is as visible as possible?
I think the first thing that we want to make sure they're doing is taking care of themselves and making sure they're taking breaks. I know they feel like they can't take a break, but accidents happen when people are tired. So first of all, make sure you take a break. If you need to, take a couple of minutes. Just give yourself some time and then get back to work. Besides that, safety tips, make sure the equipment is all in working order. They've had plenty of time to get that in order this year with the rain, so they haven't been out in the fields, and so they just need to make sure their wiring is all up to date, the lights are on, reflectors are good, everything is working and operating.
And taking a quick walk around that implement is a really good idea, because even if it was working last week, it might not be working today.
That's correct. Could be covered in mud as well, so make sure you clean the mud off as much as you can and make sure you're very visible.
And speaking of mud, I think it's a full-time job probably clearing the road of it this year. How can producers be as courteous as possible to their neighbors?
Well, it is really important for them to get that mud off the road, clean it off as much as they can. Have a skid steer out there. The first thing that happens is someone's going to complain. They're leaving the mud on the road. If they even have the skid steer out on the road or near the road, people will see, okay, well, at least they're trying to make an effort. The other thing that we want to try to encourage is communication. Talk to the town chairman, make sure they know you're going to be in a certain area. They really appreciate that, because if someone's just out there clearing the road or out there harvesting the crop, they don't know where you are, and it's just a nice courtesy to make sure the town chairman knows where you're at and what's happening out there.
I had the chance earlier this year on a closed road to see some of the dangers that that farmers experience when they're out on the road. People passing in no passing zones, kind of going around them during a situation where there's a driveway. What do they need to be aware of? Even, we expect drivers to follow the rules, but sometimes they don't. How can they be safe?
As a motorist, I think it's important for them to know that if the farmer can see you, or if you can see them, they can see you. If you can't see them, they probably can't see you. So just have some courtesy. This is a very large piece of equipment. It moves very slowly. Top speeds of some of these are 25 miles only, 25 miles per hour. That's as fast as they go, and they're not comfortable going that fast anyway with that equipment. So it's important to just make sure, take some time, slow down, do not pass in a no passing zone. That is illegal in any case. And have some patience.
And take those breaks. That's an important message for everyone to hear. We do have a link on the Midwest Farm Weekly page on wearegreenbay.com if you want to watch those extended videos to make sure your equipment is in compliance. Thank you, Erica.
Thank you.